Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to App6 online support program. For this lesson, we are going to cover student book page number 18 and 20 and workbook page number 8 and 10. It is related to unit number 1, My Life. We are going to revise the topic present simple tense. For this, you are required to have with you student's book, workbook, loose sheets, a blue and a black gel pen. In this lesson, we will revise the correct usage of present simple tense. Let's have a thought of the day. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. It's mean that you shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes. You must try your hard. The objectives are students will be able to identify the present form of the verb, apply present simple tense in daily routine, create sentences in simple present tense, and create negative and interrogative sentences. Let's have a recap first. Do you know how many kind of tenses are there? Yes, there are 3 types of tenses: present, past, and future. Let's see present tense. Present tense talks about the actions or the situation that are happening nowadays or that is happening right now. In past, we talk about the actions or situation that has already happened. And in the future, we are going to talk about the things or the situation that will happen next. Let's revise present simple tense. We have covered this topic before and now we are going to have a revision tutorial. Rules for making affirmative sentences. Let's revise the uses. The action verb is used to show an action. Verb to be is used to show a state or situation. And have got is used to show possession, illness, and relationship. In action verb and present simple tense, we use live. It means first form of the verb we use with I, we, you, and they. And we use first form of the verb with S or ES when we have he, she, it as subject. Verb to be. In verb to be, there are 3 verbs in present simple tense: is, am, are. Here, am is used with I, is used with he, she, it, and are is used with you, we, they. To show the possession, we use have got, but have got is used with I, we, you, they. If we talk about he, she, it, we use has got with them. Let's see some examples. I love to read books daily. Here the word love is showing an action. And to show an action, we use the first form of the verb. You are angry at your sister. This sentence is showing the state of someone, the condition of someone. Like, you are angry at your sister, are is the verb to be, and angry is an adjective. Instead of only adjective, we can also use the noun or any phrase in this structure. She has got an interesting novel. To show the possession, we use have got or has got. Because here we have used she, so we are using has got with it. The noun is used to show the possession. Rules for making negative sentences. The rules for making negative sentences is quite easy. You just need 2 helping verbs for the action verb to make it negative. Like when you are having I, we, you, they as a subject, you will use don't with it. But when you use he, she, it as a subject, you must use doesn't with it. Doesn't and then first form of the verb. If you have noticed, we are not using s with the first form of the verb here. It is live, not lives, because we have already used doesn't in this sentence. Verb to be. It is quite easy. I'm not, is not, are not. We are just simply doing and putting not with the verbs. Have got is also quite easy. Have not got and has not got. You can use the short forms of the verbs, like we have used don't, so you can use do not as well, and as we have used doesn't, so you can use does not as well. And in verb to be, we are using I am not, and he, she, it isn't, and you can use they aren't. Same way you can use haven't got or hasn't got. So you can use the short forms as well. I don't love to read books daily. Here we are making it negative by using don't here. You are not angry at your sister. Again, we have just add on not. She has not got an interesting novel. Lion is not the king of animals. The fisherman doesn't catch beautiful fishes. Here you must see the first and the last example. I have used I and then don't, because in the structure we have already talked about that I, we, you, they goes with don't. If we talk about the last one example, the fisherman doesn't catch beautiful fishes. Here we are using doesn't because the fisherman is the singular noun. So it works as he, she and it. And we are using the first form of the verb catch in it. To make the interrogative sentences, we are just going to put the verbs or the helping verbs at the start of the sentence. Do, then subject, and then live. But don't forget to put the question mark at the last of the question. Same with verb to be. Is, am, are will come at the start of the sentence, and at the last of the sentence you are going to add the question mark. Have got goes similarly. Have and has will come at the start of the sentence, and then you will complete your sentence and you will put the question mark. Let's see some examples. Do I love to read books daily? Are you angry at your sister? Has she got an interesting novel? Is lion the king of animals? Does the fisherman catch beautiful fishes? So you can see all the verbs come at the start of the sentence. Do, are, has, is and does. Let's do some exercises. You have to do it in your loose sheets. It is just for your practice. As we have covered this topic, so you can do the practice at home by doing these exercises. In the exercise 1, you have to change the following sentences as directed. Means he has got a red Mercedes. You are going to change it into the negative sentence. You live in the apartment, but Daniel lives his house. You have to change it into interrogative. Are John and Emily friends for 5 years? A good friend is never selfish, and we all have got breakfast together. So there are sentences, you have to change them as it has been told you to do in the red brackets. Then there is second exercise. You have to complete the sentences using correct form of the present simple tense. It is also quite easy. You have to choose either you are going to use the action verb, verb to be, or have got. Be very careful. Where there is action required, you will use the action verb. Where there is the possession or illness or relationship, you are going to use have got. And if there is the situation or the condition of the subject, then you will use is, am or are. Be very careful when you are doing these exercises.